Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can clear your RAM on your iPhone in iOS 18.3.1 and 2. What you need to do is just go to the settings. Under the settings you need to go to the accessibility, and under the accessibility in physical and motor you see that there is a touch option. Tap on it, and under the touch option there is an assertive touch. Just go over it and turn it on, as it will show you a home button here which will need to clear the RAM. So now after getting it, you need to go to the settings, and under the settings you need to go to the general, and you need to swipe up. As you can see, you need to turn off your phone, just shut down, and option like this will come up. Now you keep holding your home button here for 5 to 10 seconds, and it will show you, our screen will take you to the passcode option. You just need to keep hold the home button for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so now that's how our RAM is just cleared, and that's the only way you can clear your RAM. I hope this video will help out, and if you still have any other question, just let me know and I'll try to figure out in upcoming videos. Until next video, bye bye.